How to create Roblox account on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and reopen the Roblox account on your device and further tap on the create account option you see there. You will then be required to enter your birthday, so go ahead and enter your birth date and tap on the confirm birthday option. You will then be required to create a username, so go ahead and create a username and make sure not to use your real name, and also ensure that your username consists of 3 to 20 characters, contains only letters, numbers, and underscore, and is not already in use. Finally, select the gender and remember that it is totally optional. Now, tap on the continue button and you will then be required to create a password for your account. So go ahead and create your password and make sure that your password is not simple and is at least 8 characters long and it does not match your username. Once done, tap on the done button and with this, your Roblox account will be created. So this is how you can create Roblox account on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.